Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone. Now we have a serious topic that concerns many Arabic learners. If I want to learn Arabic, is it better to start with a dialect or better to start with the modern standard Arabic? Which one is more effective? And how long would it take for me to study either one of those? To answer this question, follow up with me in this video. So, as a native speaker, I know what you are going through. Taking this decision is not easy. I know the difference between a dialect, like for example the Egyptian dialect, and the standard Arabic. And I know that each of these has its own root and has its own way of learning and studying. So, in this video, I will help you to take this decision. And also I've done some research to see how people think about it. Actually, there are two teams. One team is pro standard Arabic first and the other team is pro dialect first. How each team builds his own argument, we will see in this video. Each team and his own argument, and we will take a decision based on comparison between the two teams. So let's start with learning the modern standard Arabic first. If you start this route, you will be able to read the Quran, because the Quran is in classical Arabic language, and the classical Arabic language is similar in many ways to the modern standard Arabic. You will find still some vocabularies that are not used today, but you can easily learn them and recap. So starting to learn modern Arabic will make your journey of learning the Quran much easier. Another thing is that if you learn the standard Arabic, you will have the basic understanding of the language, and many dialects derive their own words from the standard Arabic based on the dialect itself. So you will have the root, or you will have the original foundation that you will need before moving into a dialect. Another important thing is that if you want to read in Arabic, you most probably need to know the modern standard Arabic, because reading texts requires the modern standard Arabic. You will find some books or some texts that are written in dialect, but they are like very small amount. I think it's like 1% or even less of all the books that are written in Arabic are written in dialects. So you will need modern standard Arabic to read material. So this is very important for you. Also for news, if you want to follow the news in Arabic, you will need to learn the modern standard Arabic, because news in Arabic are usually presented in modern standard Arabic, not in dialect. So modern standard Arabic will make you read the Holy Quran after some practice, learn the news, deduce some dialects words, and have the basic foundation. But still, there are some cons. For example, learning the modern standard Arabic takes really long time. So you don't expect to be professional in standard Arabic in like few months. It needs years of learning to be true, because the Arabic language is very rich, and also it's a difficult language. It's not very easy. So you need to have some dedicated time and to have motivation in order to learn the standard Arabic. Another thing is that the modern standard Arabic is not used for communication. It is used for reading, as I told you. You can still communicate with the modern standard Arabic, but this is not done by natives. We do not communicate by modern standard Arabic. We communicate by dialects. And if I start to talk in the modern standard Arabic with a friend or in the street, people will laugh. They are not used to hear the modern standard Arabic in the streets. Learning the dialect will get you really on the ground running with respect to talking. So you don't need to learn the basics, the grammar, so you just talk. And hearing people talking in dialect will make you talk easier, and you don't take so much time learning the language, and practically you will find yourself speaking. So this is one of the strongest arguments for this team. They say that if you are a tourist, for example, and you want to visit an Arabic country for a few days, you don't need to learn this modern standard Arabic. You need to learn some words, some expressions of a dialect, and bam, you are speaking their language. So this is something really, really important. Another important consideration also is that if you are talking in dialect, all kinds of people will understand you, different ages. It will be very, very easy to communicate with different people because it's their own language. They will not consider it strange. Or some people actually can't speak the standard Arabic. They speak dialects, but they cannot speak modern standard Arabic. So you speak with them in dialect and it's not a problem at all. They communicate with you and everything is good. It doesn't take much time. Weak points. For example, if you want to learn the dialect, there's no standards. There's no rules. It's just memorizing. You will learn by experience. This could be a positive thing actually, or could be a negative thing, depending on you. Another important thing, as I talked in the standard Arabic, you cannot use the dialect in writing. If you want to write a book, or you are really advanced in Arabic and you want to read also material that are standard or literature in Arabic, most probably you will not need the dialect. You will need the modern standard Arabic. So learning a dialect alone will not be really useful if you want to read, if you want, for example, to follow up the news, if you want to write any legal documents. This will need only standard Arabic. So here comes my recommendation. What's your preference? This is the most important question that you need to ask yourself. Why do you want to learn Arabic in the first place? You want to learn Arabic in order to learn the Quran, read literature, or write in Arabic, or you want to learn Arabic because you are traveling and you want to immerse yourself more effectively in the environment or in the culture? What's your own preference? If you answer this question honestly and you know what you want to do, then it's very easy to choose a route. So now we have seen that the answer to this question, which route should I follow? Modern Standard Arabic first or dialect first? This is not an easy question and there's no definite answer to this one. The only thing I'm sure about is that you need to know your own preference and you need to know what you want to do with the language in order to be able to answer this question. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you find the content useful, don't forget to drop me a like and also comment and tell me what's your preference and what do you want to do with the Arabic language. Thanks a lot for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and see you in future videos.